Well, this is the kind of match every football fan looks forward to. A lot on the line and the likelihood of a tension-packed occasion. Stay tuned, we'll have all the action for you live here on EA TV. And so the match is underway. Agudelo. Well, that's very smart defending, and now they have the ball again. Vela. Are they going to forge ahead? An example of a goalkeeper on top of his game, Lee.
Well, that is genius. Absolutely genius.
Win. A chance maybe from the wide position. He's in with a chance. And no problem. And the referee has pointed to the spot. A penalty it is, and a chance for them to forge ahead. What a big moment, given the scoreline and the circumstances. A penalty and a red card.
Well, when the scores are level in a game like this, you don't want to make any mistakes. There's been a mistake made. Will it be costly?
And the penalty is converted. I don't think anyone really questioned him.
We'll see it again here, Derek. Looks easy, doesn't it? I can tell you it isn't. I'm telling you now.
Win. Here's Diomande. A real opening now. Oh, he's missed the chance to extend their advantage.
Oh, a golden opportunity to really put the game to bed.
Options in the centre. Thompson. And a good-looking ball. Well, it might still work out for them. It has to be. And it's a goal. Level again. What a match this is turning out to be. Wonderfully weighted pass. He's got to score. He had just the goalkeeper to beat. He's got it completely wrongly. Oh, a lovely ball. This attack looks highly promising. Vela. Lee Win. Can they hit on the break? And he might be in here. And it's there for him. And in it goes. Atuesta. And Diomande has it. Nothing wrong with that idea. Wonderful chance. Almost his second goal of this match, but the goalkeeper had his own views on that subject. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Real danger. Promising looking ball. Can he take advantage? It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident and not giving the opposition much of a look in. The final whistle, and you can hear exactly what the fans think about the red card, which is going to be one of the big talking points as well as the result here, Lee.
Well, you can't blame the fans for getting wrapped up in the emotion, you really can't. What you can blame is the player for getting wrapped up in the emotion. You've really got to keep your head nice and cool. He didn't do that, and he's cost his team today, he really has.